You should consider hiring a professional exterminator when repeated over-the-counter treatments fail to stop an active pest infestation. Persistent infestations often mean you are missing the source or hiding places, and professionals start with a thorough inspection to locate entry points, nests, and conducive conditions. We recommend documenting what you have tried and when, because that history helps an inspector choose targeted products and strategies that differ from generic retail sprays. Professionals can apply products with different active ingredients and formulations, such as baits, growth regulators, or dusts placed into voids, and they know safe application rates for long-lasting control without harming residents. Integrated pest management means combining sanitation, exclusion, habitat modification, and targeted chemical use, so expect recommendations like sealing gaps, repairing leaks, reducing clutter, and changing food storage practices along with treatments. Ask the company to explain treatment timelines, expected follow-up, and whether monitoring tools like traps or glue boards will be used to verify results. If you have children, elderly household members, pets, or environmental sensitivities, tell the technician up front so they can choose lower exposure options and schedule treatments when those occupants can be away. Common mistakes start with assuming every product works the same and applying over-the-counter sprays repeatedly, which often masks activity without reaching nests. Stop blind respraying and get an inspection. Another issue is ignoring sanitation and structural fixes, so even after a treatment, pests return. Follow through on sealing entry points, fixing moisture problems, and eliminating food sources to prevent reestablishment. The third concern is using the wrong product for the pest. For example, spraying surface contact insecticide against hidden carpenter ant or rodent issues. Let an expert identify the pest and recommend baits, dusts, or exclusion work suited to that species. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and service providers relevant to pest control and property repairs, and we help contractors find work through our listings. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share experiences, ask questions, and compare approaches so both sides learn practical steps and realistic expectations.